Hi everybody, I'm Laura and I created Mudita, so I'm going to explain you what it is about. Well, this is a primary school in Dakar, Senegal, where I teach a few years ago. Pretty energy, no? When I decided to become a teacher 10 years ago, I hadn't imagined that I would cross dozens of different galaxies like big planets and little one, rising stars, Milky Ways, many childs, very different persons. And I immediately asked myself, will I be able to transmit them, all those different brains and hearts, what they need? No, I was not so sure about that. And I asked also myself, will I be happy myself at the end of the day? Despite sometimes I'm not so happy with the way I teach. They were 7 years old and they were spending 7 hours each day on the classroom, which is really long. Can you imagine that? No, I can't. When you teach, you have constantly to reposition yourself and to be aligned with yourself and the others. It's really hard because you have to face and embrace and accept your emotional shifts every day. I think that if you do that, then joy can appear and you can teach and learn with integrity, being yourself. But how can we talk about joy today? I mean, in our society, it's a buzzword, no? Being happy all the time, it's impossible. I think it's false. It's not reality. Joy for me is being complete and being completely aware of what we are and also including our weaknesses. So I know that we can find joy in collaborating. It's okay, I mean, avoiding top-down learning situation, we all agree with that. Paulo Freire, Freinet, a lot of educators and theorists said that long times ago. So we all agree with that. But the problem is that collaborating is complicated because the other is not me. And that's a problem because it doesn't think, love, and act and move like me. So when you are in a group, sometimes you can feel your vulnerability. This word is horrible to say. I'm feeling very vulnerable now because I'm in a group, so I have to be completely myself. And this is the thing that I want to learn and teach with Mudita. Mudita School proposed workshop to replace self-confidence and self-awareness at the beginning of all the collaboration. Mudita wants to replace joy, but real joy, being completely ourselves at the beginning of all the project in the school. So in France and in Africa, I'm working on emotional skills with teachers, educators, animators, all the people that have to educate, to create collaboration, and then to be able to create and do and imagine projects for positive impact on the world and foster change now. Thank you very much.